Hey guys, so I was just browsing slickdeals.net and I came across a deal for 3 pairs of Comply memory foam ear tips. So originally these sell for 15 bucks, but they are $5 off for, again, 3 pairs of the size mediums. So I just wanted to quickly share and shill these, since I am a fan of the Comply memory foam ear tips over the, I would say, the generic brands. These just they foam better in the ears, if that makes any sense. They have that slow sort of foam opening. Anyway, I'm going to post it again, link to this in the description below, but you guys should check out my Twitter in the future. I'll try to post deals for earphones and ear tips and stuff like that. So anyway, if you haven't yet followed me on Twitter, make sure to do that. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to share that. I'll see you guys in my next video. Later.